In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not enough memory to open this page error. If Chrome keeps showing that message, it often means the browser is running low on available resources because of a bloated cache, an outdated build, or an extension that's using more memory than it should. We'll clear out temporary data, turn off extensions to rule out conflicts, update Chrome, and then use a built-in tool to manage memory more efficiently. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left side, go to Privacy and Security. Here, select Clear Browsing Data. In the pop-up, choose a time range that suits you. All time gives you the most thorough reset. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. If you also choose cookies and other site data, be aware this will sign you out of most sites, so only include that if you're comfortable. When you're ready, click Clear Data and give Chrome a moment to finish. Next, head to Extensions. You can get there from the Chrome menu or through the puzzle piece icon, then open Manage Extensions. Toggle every extension off to disable them temporarily. This is just for troubleshooting. Extensions can leak memory or clash with certain pages, so turning them off helps us isolate the issue. You can turn them back on later once things are stable. Now go back to Settings and open About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates here. If an update is available, let it download and then relaunch the browser. Outdated versions can have performance bugs, so keeping Chrome current is a simple but important fix. After Chrome restarts, return to Settings and select Performance. Open Memory Saver and turn it on. Memory Saver automatically frees up memory from tabs you aren't actively using, which helps prevent the not enough memory error from appearing when you open demanding pages. If you regularly keep certain tabs active, you can visit them first so Chrome knows to prioritize them. At this point, the browser has a fresh cache, extensions are paused, Chrome is up to date, and memory management is enabled, all of which should make that error disappear. If everything's working smoothly, you can re-enable your extensions one at a time and keep only the ones you trust and need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Chrome back to running fast and opening every page without a hitch. So